Microsoft PowerPoint, Module 2, Getting Started and the Interface. Welcome to Module 2. In this module, we'll explore how to get started with Microsoft PowerPoint and familiarize ourselves with its interface. By the end of this module, you'll be able to create a new presentation and navigate the basic tools you'll need to build your How Many Animals activity. Let's begin. Launching Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on the Start menu, Windows icon, at the bottom left corner of your screen. Type PowerPoint in the search bar. Click on Microsoft PowerPoint to open the application. Note, if you have a shortcut on your desktop or taskbar, you can click that to open PowerPoint directly. The PowerPoint Start screen. When you open PowerPoint, you'll see the Start screen. Blank presentation. Start a new presentation from scratch. Templates and themes. Pre-designed slides you can use. Recent presentations. Access presentations you've worked on recently. For our activity, Step 1. Click on Blank Presentation to start fresh. Understanding the PowerPoint interface. Let's familiarize ourselves with the main parts of the PowerPoint interface. The ribbon, located at the top of the window, contains tabs like Home, Insert, Design, Transitions, Animations, Slideshow, Review, and View. Each tab has groups of related tools. The Slides pane, located on the left side, shows a thumbnail of each slide in your presentation, allows you to navigate between slides easily. The Slide area, the large area in the center where you'll design your slide. This is where you'll add text, images, and other content. The Notes pane, located at the bottom. You can add notes for each slide that are not visible during the presentation. The Status bar, at the bottom of the window, shows information like slide number and theme name. Allows you to switch views, normal, slide sorter, reading view. Creating and saving a new presentation. Creating. We've already started a new presentation with blank presentation. Saving. Step 1. Click on File in the top left corner. Select Save As. Choose where you want to save the file. Example, this PC or OneDrive. Enter a file name like How Many Animals Activity. Click Save. Tip: save your work frequently by pressing the Ctrl+S key. Basic navigation and commands. Adding a new slide. Go to the Home tab. Click on New Slide in the Slides group. Choose the slide layout you prefer. Changing slide layout. Select the slide you want to change in the Slides pane. Go to the Home tab. Click on Layout and select a different layout. Zooming in and out. Use the slider at the bottom right corner to zoom in or out of your slide for better visibility. Introduction to views. PowerPoint offers different views to help you work on your presentation. Normal view, the default view for creating slides. Slide sorter view shows thumbnails of all slides, useful for rearranging slides. Reading view presents the slides as a slideshow within the PowerPoint window. Slideshow view runs the presentation in full screen mode. Switching views. Use the buttons on the status bar or go to the View tab and select the desired view. You've now learned how to start PowerPoint, navigate the interface, create and save a presentation, and perform basic commands. You're ready to start building your How Many Animals activity. In Module 3, we'll dive into choosing a design and inserting and formatting text to make your presentation visually appealing and more informative.